And hello, boys and girls. This is your old friend Uncle Alan, or Uncle Al. And today at Uncle Al, or aka Diebulfrog79. Yes, it's Easter, or Happy Easter to all my fans. Shalom. Anyway, I'm holding up little bags, cotton bags I picked up at the arts and crafts store. Now, a lot of you wonder, why is Uncle Alan getting one of these for? Well, you could use them, put coffee in it, coffee grounds, and you could dunk them. So remember, folks, you can find things like this. You can find candles. You can also find hardware stores and arts and crafts stores carry this ultra pure lamp oil. And hardware and arts and crafts stores also carry these lanterns. Okay, now this is a VR to Mike Shelton. Now let's screw up with the whatchamacallit, with the AI. I always like messing with the AI. It's kind of fun. Okay, it's a pocket knife. All right, Mike Sheldon's survival and prepping. This is a video response. Now, Mike has a challenge of FTS challenge for pocket things. Well, Mike, I'm the king of pocket things. Pocket kits, pocket anything. For my giant coat pocket, I have iron ration emergency. What is it? Oops, got it upside down. Emergency iron ration. And this fits in my coat pocket. And it has jam, peanut butter, hot chocolate, cookies, all sorts of stuff. And fits nicely in one of these boxes. I also have a duplicate, like so. And a pencil box has smokes. See that? Cigarette smoke's bad for you. And also stuff I need. And so, like I said, I could put a lot of stuff in here. Showed this before as my first aid kit. All boo-boos and stuff. A drink or another food kit. Everybody remember this from my old throwback video. It's my survival kit. I use soap boxes. Also, I use Altoid tins. Remember this one, folks? My spice kit. Keep all your spices in little vials. Again, you can pick these up at arts and crafts stores. Wow. Another tin. Ground goes around, go through people's garbage and find tins. But you can buy these little bottles at the arts and crafts store. I'm old. And I got a lot of stuff. Remember the old days? Tobacco tins. Plastic baggies work. My favorite, soap dishes. You can put anything in a soap dish. Altoid tins. Nothing in this one empty. I think more Altoid tins. Heck, I had in this one. A little fire kit. Again, you can put anything in a soap dish. Real cheap, only $1 at Walmart. Soap holder, soap dish, whatever. Oh, remember, if you're using one of these, you got to have lamp wick. Any kind of box would do, or metal container. even plastic ones. This one, I can't remember what this was. I think it was this thing. Found it in the trash. I kept that. Again, more empty tins. Pick those up. Oh, a lot of you remember the old days. We used to have Band-Aid cans. That went on the wayside, went to China. All these wonderful cans that we used to get our Band-Aids are now cardboard. That's really great. Another thing I use, that I tell a lot of people I do use, is sometimes you find these in the thrift stores. It's an empty eyeglass case. So I picked it up. It's for sunglasses and stuff. And I could put change, anything I want, first aid, bullets, anything you could imagine. And it doesn't look like slip it in the pocket. You don't have a pocket in the shirt. You can slip it in there and nobody ever noticed. Or you could use an Altoid tin. Or a soap dish. Or a plastic bag. Or a tobacco tin. Or another plastic box or a soap dish. Or these little cotton bags, which are really handy. That way, that away so later. Oh, that's the bottom. Keep that one up here. Okay, I'll just put this off to the side. And that's Mike. This was for you, Mike. Simple, easy. Doesn't drive the computer crazy. Also use smaller stuff, snuff tins. You can put that in your pocket. Real easy to use and simply use, open whatever you want. I put cash in there, quarters and matches. And I explained what these are. These are not candies. These are dextro tablets. And also a plastic tube, which is, I reuse these tubes once in a while. So that's about it, Mike. And I'm going to tag. Let's see, we got the new subscriber list. Let's tag one person, Myra, M-I-R-E-Y-A, and her channel is Myra T, like Tom, C-K. I tagged her to do one of these, whatchamacallit, little metal boxes things, what you can do with them. Like I said, I do a lot of weird things with these little tins. I made a flashlight out of one of these. I can't find it, but I do have it. But remember, anything you can put in the pocket, food kit, first aid kit, spice kit, anything you put in your pocket that you can make a kit out. Only thing I don't have right now, I put it away someplace in one of my bug out bags or cache, is a pocket fishing kit. I should have brought that one out, but I forget. So anyway, folks, have a nice night. Like and subscribe, and make sure you like and subscribe to Mike Helton's Survival and Prepping channel. Catch you later, Mike. Oops, not working.